Hello everybody again. We another time buy with the mini jerseys. This time I buy the jerseys of the Juventus for 2022-23 year. It's different jerseys, good quality and good jerseys. This one is the first. You see the Juventus logo with Adidas logo and Jeep. It small is a medium. This is from the back. You can see the jersey. The quality of the jersey is very good. It's many jerseys. This is the first jerseys. This is the second jerseys of the kid. Juventus, Jeep, Adidas. Is this with this pantalon. The pantalon for the kid, Adidas. Juventus is always from MineJerseys. The third jersey is for women. You see the small. Adidas Juventus is the Jeep, and this a small jerseys for women. And the last jerseys is the away jerseys. The away jerseys of the Juventus. The fourth jerseys that have the last year Adidas G4XE. There's a Juventus. With the medium. This now is 4 jerseys. The jerseys you get from MineJerseys, use the coupon. This coupon $6 for the writing and coupon $11 for the video. It's all from MineJerseys. I support always to buy from MineJerseys. Is the best site with the world for the jerseys. Thank you.